Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the card type and balance. This prevents surprises at checkout. First, scratch or find the PIN and card number and log into the Shopper's Stop app or open the balance check page. Once done, read the expiry date and confirm the remaining value so you can plan payment. Make sure to screenshot the balance screen or note it down. This saves time during checkout and ensures you know whether you'll need an additional payment source. Now you proceed to apply the card during purchase. In store, hand the card or e-gift barcode to the cashier and ask them to process it first. Online, choose gift card at payment and enter the number and PIN carefully. Once accepted, the order total will reduce by the card balance. If it does not cover the full amount, use a second payment method for the remainder. Also, make sure promotions and returns rules with gift cards are understood before finalizing the sale. Finish by confirming the transaction and collecting proof. You should receive a receipt showing the gift card deduction and any remaining balance, which matters for returns or exchange. If the card is declined, double-check the digits, PIN, and expiry. Then try re-entering or ask the cashier to retry. If problems persist, contact Shopper's Stop customer service with your order ID, card number, and receipt ready. They can trace the transaction and restore value or resolve processing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.